Good morning, everyone. Today I will recite a 3 set of 10 commandments in safety management. First set is safety driving as driver. 1. I will not drive when drunk, nor drowsy, or not fatigued. 2. I will not pass without care or curve, not hills, not the view unseen by my eyes. 3. I will not violate speed low, not exceed speed limit. 4. I do not disobey highway sign and traffic signal. Number 5. I do not make a twist without signaling my intention. Number 6. I do not accelerate my speed at school, playground, hospital, and other dangerous zone. 7. I will not be careless when crossing intersection. 8. I do not glare my headlight or approaching car at night. 9. I will slow down when twilight comes and unsafe road conditions are before me. 10. I will not be conscientious and respectful of the right of every driver and pedestrian. Second set, self-traveler. First, we have, thou shalt not gaze at thy phone. 2. Thou shalt not throw trash out of the window. 3. Thou shalt not never drive intoxicated. 4. Thou shalt not take any changes. 5. Thou shalt buckle up the gates. 4. Thou shalt not drive on day bright. 7. Thou shalt not drive with one light or with faulty light. 8. Thou shalt adhere to the speed limit. 9. Thou shalt keep the distance. 10. Thou shalt practice patience. Third set is self-clearance. First, we have keep right. Second, observe road courtesy. 3. Prohibited parking. 4. If in doubt, do not overtake. 5. The bus stop rule, lining up on the bus stop zone. 6. Rule to prevent or untackle traffic jams. 7. Observe traffic management measures. 8. The philosophy of Pinoy driver first come, first serve vehicles. 9. On pedestrian. 10. Remember the international driving safety reminders. Bye!